I'm on my way right now. We're gonna go check out Rick and Dominic. They're installing it, so let's see how they're making out. On my way right now to check out Rick and Dominic on a job. They're doing an installation of some used equipment that we sold to a customer. A lot of people don't know this, but compressed air equipment does offer used compressor equipment. We'll take in compressor equipment on trade from our customers that we service on a regular basis. When that customer may upgrade a production line or may put an additional piece of equipment into their process and they need more air, we'll sell them an upgraded system to accommodate the higher air demand. And what we'll do is we'll take their old equipment in on trade. So we have some equipment here that is in great shape that we sold to a customer of ours. And I'm on my way right now. We're gonna go check out Rick and Dominic. They're installing it, so let's see how they're making out. So we're here at Inventec in Mount Laurel. We're gonna go in and see Rick and Dominic, see how they're making out on this install. Slip through side door. That's where the compressor man goes in. But when you deal with customers for so long, you have good relationships with them, and they're okay with you slipping through the back door sometimes. But anyway, so here we are. Got compressor set, looks like it's all piped in, conduit ran. Got Dominic over there tying in, doing the wiring. We also have to put a dryer in right there where you see the inlet and outlet pipes hanging down there. And we got Rick. It looks like Rick is buttoning things up here with the Gardner Denver. So, Rick, what was the obstacles here today?
We came in here and took out a 30-year-old air compressor. Put a much more modern, much more efficient machine in here.
Yeah, I think that thing was what, 1980?
Yeah, it was pretty old.
Didn't know these guys a dime.
No, it sure didn't. It leaked more oil than it made air.
Yeah.
So we put in a much more modern machine. The customer's expanding their output of their production here, so they need a little bit more air.
Yeah.
So we put in a Gardner Denver, 50 horse. That should give them the air that they need. So.
Good deal. Yep, I know they'll be happy with it. This is, again, one of the used machines that we took in on a trade that runs phenomenally. It doesn't have many hours on it at all. And, you know, it's got some age to it, but it's very super clean. And, again, very, very low hours. So they'll have a long service life out of this thing. So we'll come over here, see Dominic, what he's doing. So what you got going on, Dom?
Just making my final connections into my DAC conductors for this new used compressor.
New used compressor. Sounds good, man. It looks good. Conduit work and all the bends are looking great.
Yeah, pretty on sharp.
Looks really good. So, yeah, these guys will be happy with it. Dominic's one of our licensed electricians here, compressed air. Getting that wrapped up. Get the air dryer tied in here. There's the inlet and outlet. And I know these guys will be happy once this is up and going. All right, well, I'm gonna let these guys get back to work here so they can wrap up this job and get this equipment fired up. See Dominic back there doing his thing, getting the wiring all set and sorted. Looks like the compressor is about ready to fire up, ready to rock and roll here. We got Rick back here prepping the air dryer. That's getting ready to get put in. And then they'll be firing this system up. But I'm on my way to the next stop, next visit, see the next customer. So Rick's gonna shoot me some video footage of this thing running. Once they're all done, everything's installed and good to go. So we'll see how good Rick's camera skills are